Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and today I'm speaking with Dr. Luke Mortimer. Now Luke, you're Exploration Manager with Kalamazoo Resources and you've got quite a healthy portfolio covering the country basically. So West Australia, Victoria, where do you want to start?
I might start in the Pilbara. I guess as an opening comment, I'd say that we probably have ground in probably the two most sought after provinces in Australia, being the Pilbara and Central Victoria. I guess our flagship project would be the Ashburton Gold Project, which has a resource of 1.65 million ounces at a grade of 2.5 grams per tonne, which is quite exceptional in the Pilbara. We purchased that from Northern Star about 18 months ago, and we've since then, over the last 18 months, we've drilled, plus 15,000 odd metres of mainly RC drilling there. And we've had some very nice, encouraging intersections that we've recently released. The goal there is to build up the sulphide and oxide resource to get above 2 million ounces. And that will give us lots of options in development going forward. We've also drilled some holes for more metallurgical scoping studies as well, and we'll hope to release some of those results soon. We're planning another plus 15, so maybe 20,000 metres of drilling this year at the Ashburton Gold Project. So pretty healthy drilling budget. And again, looking at extensions of the known resource, but also looking at just total whole new discoveries, such as like at our Petra prospect and our Annie prospect. There are new prospects that we've identified recently that we think have good potential to add significant new resources to that project. It
sounds like everything you're doing there, it's encouraging you to keep advancing the project.
Well, that's right. That's right. And we are putting significant resources towards this particular project. Again, there are a very healthy resource base of 1.65 million ounces. At the time, 10 years ago, when Northern Star were looking at this project, in 2013, the gold price had actually slumped quite dramatically. But since then, obviously, the gold price is a lot healthier. And also the technology for sulphide ores and even concentrates has come a long way. So it's quite a good proposition now. So hence it would be our flagship project. But that said, we've also got the Sisters project, which we hope to be drilling in first or maybe second quarter of this year. That's a long strike of De Grey. Our tenement is contiguous with their tenements, along the same structural corridor as their Hemi discovery, which of course is a bit of a monster at 6.8 million ounces. So we have some very good and very encouraging gold and soil anomalies there that we'll be following up with at least 5,000 metres of drilling. The other thing of interest too, and more recently in December, we announced a very significant joint venture with SQM, which was a Chilean lithium producer. They're one of the biggest lithium companies in the world. They have 50% of the Mount Holland project that they're developing with Wesfarmers, and they're looking to expand their exploration portfolio for hard rock lithium sources. And that deal is $12 million over 4 years to earn 70%. And I think a company of that quality investing in our project is a good sign. And then, of course, we're also in Central Victoria. We're still pushing along there with our various projects. We have a gold, very significant gold soil anomaly at our Tarnagalla project, which we hope to be drilling sometime before middle of this year. And we've also just recently started another soil sampling program at our Myrtle project, which is a long strike south of the famous Fosterville gold mine.
Well, it sounds like we're very busy on both fronts. Where do we expect to hear the first lot of news coming through from now?
Okay, well, I think with a bit of luck, we'll have the results of the metallurgical studies for the Ashburton project, maybe sometime at the end of this quarter. We're still trying to plan the rig, but I'd like to think that we'll have some drilling sometime in the second quarter at Sisters, and then that rig will then continue on to our lithium projects and also then to Ashburton by middle of the year.
All right, well, two interesting fronts and two interesting commodities too, really, with gold and lithium. Yeah, in the old days, people wouldn't even think about putting those together, but now they sort of go hand in glove.
Yeah, well, to be honest, our lithium projects were some of our old gold projects and we are actually still exploring for gold on those projects. That's just that they just happen to be down the road from Pilgongora and the Archer lithium deposits. And as we released last year, Marble Bar, we have plenty of pegmatites with lithium mineralisation in them. So yeah, it's very exciting times.
All right, Luke. Well, that all sounds really exciting, and no doubt we'll be keeping an eye out for all the news coming through from Kalamazoo to bring to our readers and viewers here at the Roadhouse. But until we speak again, it's been great having a chat, and we look forward to catching up again very soon.
Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.